by the wall, but a picture of elegance writing on the stall. Phone number, such a gentleman. Who you gonna call, baby? I've been waiting for you. We don't have to talk, we can sit still. Reticence, corner of my eye. What a wonderful cardigan slipping out my mouth, baby. I've been waiting for you. No, I don't wanna dance, baby, after you leave. I'm showing up on your phone, be the last one you see. I get so nervous when I think of you, alone in your bedroom, with the radio on or the radio off. I get so nervous when I think of you, nothing that I can do. Turn the radio on, turn the radio off.
So good. It's so good. Like, I usually don't like instant coffee, and I make my own coffee from like the fresh coffee grounds, but I think this one's really comparable to it. And I think the thing that makes the difference is the water to milk ratio. That's like 50-50, maple syrup for sweetener, and the oat milk. Especially like the Happy Planet one is really good. And just like a sprinkle of vanilla powder or vanilla bean paste really makes a difference too. So I hope you enjoy, and I really hope that you try this out, because it's less expensive than the coffee you'd get at the coffee shop, but it's just like it's equally as good. Bye, have a good day.
In love.